Are you financially fit? Just like physical health, our financial well-being requires regular checkups. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on assessing your financial health. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your money management skills, this video has got you covered. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our financial wellness. But by taking the time to evaluate our financial habits, we can identify areas for improvement and take proactive steps towards a healthier financial future. Why assessing your financial health is important. Assessing your financial health is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to gain a clear understanding of your current financial situation. By examining your income, expenses, debt, savings, and investments, you can identify patterns, strengths, and weaknesses in your financial habits. This awareness is the first step towards making positive changes. Secondly, assessing your financial health enables you to set realistic goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or retire comfortably, understanding where you stand financially will help you create a roadmap to reach your objectives. Lastly, regular financial checkups can help you avoid financial crises. By monitoring key indicators of financial health, you can detect warning signs early on and take corrective actions. This proactive approach allows you to stay on top of your financial well-being and avoid unnecessary stress and financial hardships. Key indicators of financial health. To assess your financial health, it's important to evaluate key indicators that provide insights into your overall financial well-being. These indicators include budgeting, saving, debt management, and retirement planning. Let's explore each of these areas in detail. Assessing your income and expenses. The first step in assessing your financial health is examining your income and expenses. Start by calculating your monthly income from all sources, including your salary, investments, and any additional sources of revenue. Once you have a clear picture of your income, analyze your expenses. Categorize your spending into essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, and groceries, and non-essential expenses, such as dining out and entertainment. A healthy financial situation is characterized by an income that covers your expenses with room for savings. If your expenses exceed your income, it's crucial to identify areas where you can cut back. Look for opportunities to reduce non-essential spending and create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself but rather about making intentional choices. Evaluating your debt and credit score. Debt can have a significant impact on your financial health. Evaluate your debt by making a list of all your outstanding loans, including student loans, credit card debt, and mortgages. Calculate your total debt and compare it to your income. A high debt-to-income ratio can signal potential financial stress. Next, review your credit score, as it plays a crucial role in your financial well-being. A good credit score indicates responsible borrowing and can help you secure better interest rates on loans and credit cards. Access your credit report from credit bureaus and look for any errors or discrepancies. Take steps to improve your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio. Reviewing your savings and investments. Savings and investments are essential for long-term financial security. Assess your savings by calculating your emergency fund. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If you don't have an emergency fund or it's inadequate, prioritize saving and set up automatic transfers to build your savings over time. Evaluate your investments by reviewing your portfolio. Consider the asset allocation, diversification, and performance of your investments. Are you on track to meet your long-term financial goals? If not, consider adjusting your investment strategy or seeking advice from a financial professional. Analyzing your insurance coverage. Insurance is an essential component of financial wellness. Review your insurance coverage to ensure you have adequate protection. Evaluate your health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance policies. Consider your current needs and assess if your coverage is sufficient. It's important to strike a balance between affordability and protection. Assessing your retirement readiness. Retirement planning is a critical aspect of financial health. Assess your retirement readiness by estimating your retirement needs and evaluating your current savings. Use online retirement calculators to determine if you're on track to meet your retirement goals. Consider factors such as your desired retirement age, lifestyle expectations, and expected inflation. If you're falling short, explore options to boost your retirement savings, such as contributing more to your retirement accounts or exploring additional investment opportunities. Steps to improve your financial health. Now that you've assessed your financial health, it's time to take steps towards improvement. Here are some practical tips to enhance your financial well-being. Create a realistic budget. Use the insights gained from assessing your income and expenses to create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Track your spending and make adjustments as needed. Reduce debt. Develop a debt repayment plan by prioritizing high-interest debts and making extra payments whenever possible. Consider debt consolidation options to simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. Increase savings. Set savings goals and automate transfers to ensure consistent contributions to your savings accounts. Explore different types of savings accounts, such as high-yield savings or retirement accounts, to maximize your returns. Improve credit score. Pay bills on time, reduce debt, and keep credit utilization low to improve your credit score. Regularly review your credit report for any errors and dispute them if necessary. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about investment options and consider seeking professional advice if needed. Diversify your investments to manage risk and evaluate your portfolio periodically. Review and update insurance coverage. Regularly review your insurance policies to ensure they provide adequate coverage. Life events such as marriage, children, or a new job may require adjustments to your insurance needs. Continuously monitor your financial health. Regularly review your financial situation, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Financial wellness is an ongoing process that requires attention and effort. Conclusion and next steps. Assessing your financial health is a crucial step towards achieving financial well-being. By evaluating your income and expenses, debt, savings, investments, insurance coverage, and retirement readiness, you gain valuable insights into your financial situation. Armed with this knowledge, you can take proactive steps to improve your financial health, such as creating a budget, reducing debt, increasing savings, and making informed investment decisions. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, and small changes can have a significant impact over time. Regularly review your financial health, set achievable goals, and stay committed to building a solid foundation for your financial well-being. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy a more secure and prosperous future.